Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, I tell you what, it's been about a week since I posted a video, maybe a little longer, because every day it's been rainy, windy, cold. It's been absolutely miserable. You can see the remnants of the weather. And so anyways, it's supposed to be a fantastic week the rest of the week, so we are going to get to work here. Beach buggy. The last time I was working on beach buggy, I was complaining about the shifter not hitting all the gears, and I did get that all fixed yesterday. I basically put the shifter in reverse, put the transaxle in reverse, drilled a little hole down where the screw can secure it, and now it's working perfect. So that's good. The seats, they were flopping around. I took this thing for a little drive, and well, I almost rolled out the back of the car. So what I did was I welded on some tubings here, and I welded some flange nuts down nice and flat, and just shot these screws through some flat bar there. So now these are good and secure. Now, what has got to happen with these fiberglass seats, because they are in time, they go away. And you can see that the material is, I don't know whether it's oxidation, I don't know what it is exactly, but it ends up going away. So we have this this paint kind of resin stuff here. My son had to work on the bottom of a boat. They ran into some rocks, and this stuff works wonders. It's a two-part material here, and they call it a gel coat, and I'm gonna paint those seats with the gel coat, and that is gonna keep these seats from going away. So now I got Bobby and his friend Jonathan. We're gonna put this body on here because it's ready to go. So let's see. I did have to pull the steering wheel out because there's just a hole in the body where the steering wheel goes through. So that had to come off. And then the project, once the body's on there, is all this wiring. I want to make this a functional car, and part of that's going to be figure out what is here, what I can use, and what I have to replace. So there's a harness coming all the way back here. Nothing going to the brake lights yet, so we're gonna get it all going. So let's get this body on here and see how this works. You guys got that handled? You want this old man to handle it for you? All right.
We're young and spry.
Old Turbo, he'll help too, won't you, buddy?
Oh my God, it's so heavy. Lift your back, Bob.
So that's got to go down there. Yep, straight on down there. Let's see. Oh, that was one issue there. I ran that gas line over the top.
Intake.
Oh, is it the intake the problem? Okay. And I did put that gas line over the top there, so I'm gonna have to reroute that there. These wires here should actually come to this side. Yeah. And I might have to notch for this, I had to build this support for the steering column. Might have to notch that a little bit, but it's almost all the way down there, isn't it? All right.
It's just the hose catching on it now.
Okay. So yeah, obviously I got some work to do, but that's the next step. Getting this body, I'll get that all bolted down, and start working on some wiring. Absolutely. That intake can just come out the top here. Let's see how that looks. Might have to do something with that.
I mean, we can get a longer,
Little extension there, huh?
we get a longer cover for that. Or just cut a hole on it.
Yeah, I might just cut it down a little bit so it sinks down. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna get to work. Thank you much, guys, for your help.
Oh yeah.
Always.
All right, guys. I'll bring you back in a little bit. Well, guys, got a little work done here. That's the first time this thing's run with the old fuel tank. Got it all cleaned out. I pressure washed the heck out of the inside of it. Wasn't too rusty, really. Pretty dang clean inside there. So then got that all connected to the electric fuel pump. I'm running multiple filters here. Got that one there, but I mean, as you can see, that looks awfully clean in there. So that's good. I'm not too worried about the tank now. That's a good thing. Got another filter right there before it gets to the carburetor. So I want to make sure there's no debris, no dirt, no debris, anything getting into the carburetor. I had to make a cut here to get the air cleaner down. And you can see there's a little bit bigger gap there than here, so I'm actually going to follow that line that I marked out, and that'll make that fit good. So yeah, I put 2 bolts on each side to secure the body down, because after I do all the wiring, I'm going to make the wiring so I can just unplug the battery or the body and lift it up off of there, because I am going to go through, I'm going to paint the pan and make it all pretty. I got this nice chrome roll bar to get in there. And that I know I'm going to have to make a mount for. Let's just set you guys down right there. Let's see how this thing looks. So you can see it comes through here. I'm gonna have to make a mount down there somewhere. Adjust the height. That went down a little far. Well, maybe not, but let's do that. Then I got the windshield to put in there. The windshield actually mounts to the top hood here. You can see here these 2 bolts here on each side would mount there. So that's about all I'm going to do with this thing today. Tomorrow I want to finish assembling it and get onto some wire. It'd be nice to be able to you know, not have a battery charger running the fuel pump and have to string a wire up and over up and over here to the battery. So a lot more to do, but like I said, that's it for today. And yeah, this weather's supposed to be gorgeous for the rest of the week and next weekend, so we'll be ripping this thing around in just a few days. It's gonna be fun. So anyways, everybody have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you on the next one. Look at that. Starting to look like a car. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.